All right, we've got the STREBITO Mini Electric Screwdriver 144-piece set. This is a top-notch set. So it's got an electric screwdriver, a manual screwdriver, 120 bits, and 22 repair tools. So this has everything you need to repair your phone, repair your laptop, as well as just any sort of electronic device that you have that you want to repair. This is a top-notch set. All right, so as you can see, even the outer case is amazing. But then you open it up, got the instruction manual, set that off to the side. The case itself, the inner case, the case for the actual product, is also amazing. It has a nice feel to it. It just looks nice. And I know you're not supposed to judge a book by its cover, but what I've found is 9 times out of 10, when the case is amazing, the product is also amazing. And so we'll open it up and you will see the amazing product. So over here, you've got all the different bits, and it's got the Phillips head screwdriver bits, flathead screwdriver bits. It's got some of these style. It's got these weird ones right here. It's got these. I mean, it has all sorts of different bits, different sizes for all of them as well. So I mean, it's got like straight up everything you're going to need. I mean, honestly, more than what you're going to need. It straight up is the way I see it. So then from here, we'll come over, and here is the main device. This is the electric screwdriver. And so as you can see, it's got a nice feel to it. Feels very durable. It's also light. This is where you'll charge it with this charging cable right here. But in order to turn it on, so to turn, it lights up right here. So to turn the lights on, you just hit it once. That turns that on. You can also use it without the light. So you just hit it again. To turn it on, you hold it down. Hold that same button down. And if you could hear that, I'm not sure if you could hear that, but it was on. There's another setting. If you want it on the other setting, you hold it down again. So that's the second setting. And then from there, whatever setting you have it set to, you hold down that to screw it in, and that to unscrew it. So we'll hold down the screw, and then we'll hold down the unscrew. And you put any of these bits over here into that. And from here, I'll just set this off to the side. Let's go over some of these other tools. So you've got this tool. You've got this tool. So there's so many different tools that it has. I mean, straight up anything you're doing, I mean, it's just going to have a tool for it. It's got this. It's even got, let's see, put the bits in here, and that's falling off that. So we'll bring that back up. But see, you got this tool. That's an interesting tool. It's got this, which has this thing at the end of it. So, there's that. Let's set these down over here. It's got 2 of these right here. And then, I'm gonna go. I'll just take this out. So this is the second main device, and this is the manual screwdriver. So you can also put any of these bits in here, and you're good to go there. So it's also even got a bunch of these things right here. As you can see, it's got this demagnetize and magnetize. And then the final piece, it's got this to keep, if you want to, put this in place. So, and then also it's got this thing as well as this to, if you want to put the tools and stuff in here, and it magnetizes. So, all right, now let's test this out. So I've got my bit in there. Let's do this. So, all right, that's in there. Let's do it. So we're good to go with that one. Do another one. And let's just say, let's just switch it. So let's say I want to screw them back in. There we go. So straight up, as you can see, it works. It's amazing, and I highly recommend it.